Hi, I'm Chris at Integrate AV. If you have any questions about what we're covering today, please email us education@integrateav.com.au or you can call us 1800 742 748. And today we're having a look at Smart Ink. Smart Ink is a piece of software that comes with all of the different smart software options. When you have a smart board, you should always have Smart Ink installed. If you install Smart Notebook, then you will already have Smart Ink as part of that installation. However, if you don't have Notebook, you can also install Smart Ink and download it for free. Smart Ink allows the board to talk to your computer and the computer to talk to the board. It means that you can annotate over a wide range of file types, web pages, PDF, Office documents and things like that. And this is really beneficial and useful when you're teaching. When you pick up a pen and touch it to the board, once you're on your computer, you will notice that this little floating icon is somewhere on the screen. This allows you to change your ink colors and it also gives you a number of tools. Now just be careful because sometimes that little icon is going to hide from you and so you have to have a little bit of a look around until you find it. When you press the icon, this is when you can change your colors and also the thickness of your line. So right now I have my red pen. However, if I want to change color and thickness, I'm going to press on the tool, I'm going to change my color and I'm going to go for a thicker line and there you go. You'll also notice that I can change to a highlighter. I can annotate over websites, which is a really powerful teaching tool. Right now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. And annotation is as simple as picking up the pen and starting to write. Just like on my desktop, I can change my tool. So for example, I can come to my highlighter and I can highlight words. When I'm in Edge, the Smart Ink is going to interact with Microsoft Ink to give an improved experience. So what I need to do is to come and select my ink tool, and now what I can do is just start writing. I can change my color right here. I can also, just like in Smart Ink, change to a highlighter. In Microsoft Edge, as opposed to in Google Chrome, you will notice that the ink is sticking exactly where it should be. So what I can do is ink with my pen, and then with my finger I can scroll, and you'll see that the ink is staying embedding exactly where it should be. Even when I zoom in and out, the ink stays the right size and the correct thickness. I've opened a PDF here on Microsoft Edge, and now, just like with the website, I'm going to select the pen tool, and again, I can just pick up my pen and start annotating. The other cool thing is that I'm able to save these annotations within the PDF. So if I come up here and click Save, what I'm able to do then is save the PDF with the ink embedded. I will be able to record all of the annotations that I've made. So here we have a PowerPoint file, and I'm going to go into presenter mode. Now you can imagine that I'm giving a presentation. At any time, I can pick up my pen and start writing. And now I can also go between slides. I can simply slide across and I'm to the next slide. And you will see that my annotations stay at the right spot on the correct slide. The floating ink toolbar, which you see right here, doesn't only give us the ability to change the color and thickness of our ink, it also gives us a few tools, which you can see here. I'm going to select the toolbox, which is underneath the pen right here. And now I have my tools. The very first tool is a spotlight. What I can do now is move this spotlight around the screen. I can use this to draw attention to a certain thing or to take a tour of an image or a map. I can also change the size and shape of my spotlight by dragging its corner. Our next tool is a zoom box. What the zoom box does is it creates a rectangle where you're zooming in on whatever the rectangle is above. Just like the spotlight, I can move that around. I can change its size and shape. I can also adjust the zoom by zooming in further. Again, really great for bringing students specific attention to one thing. So when I select the screen shade, I'm able to cover up the whole screen. Let's say my class is getting a little bit distracted, I can totally cover this up and I can get their attention again, or block out any visual stimulation on the screen. By tapping on the screen shade, I'm able to change its color. I'm also able now to reveal from the bottom, or reveal from the top, or reveal from either side. So let's say I have made some annotations and I wish to save this. What I'll do is I'll select the camera tool. Now I can either take a screenshot of a rectangle that I select, the entire desktop, just one window, or a free-form selection. I'm just going to select a rectangle here. Now all I have to do is draw my rectangle. And now I can send this straight to Smart Notebook, or I can do something else, save it on my desktop, save it into another folder. Our final tool is writing recognition. I'm able to write something in this box and it will turn my handwriting to text. The software is going to recognize that that says Smart, and now I'm going to put the tick at the end and I just click where I'd like to insert that text. There we go. Thanks very much for watching. Please remember that Integrate AV offers extensive training and professional development for teachers. We're a registered NESA provider, and so we can specifically tailor NESA accredited training to your school. If you have any questions or want more information, please contact us. You can email us, education@integrateav.com.au, or you can call us on 1800 742 748. Thanks very much.